Why does dust reappear so quickly after cleaning? It's not magic, it's physics. Static electricity. Tiny charges from fabrics or carpets clings to dust, while air currents carry particles back in. Materials like wood and synthetic surfaces trap dust better than smooth ones. Even HEPA vacuums can't catch all particles under 2.5 microns. That's why dust seems to find you. It's just following the rules of science. Ever notice dust reappearing faster than you can wipe it away? Air purifiers tackle this with science. They use HEPA filters to trap microscopic particles like dust, pollen, and bacteria, physically catching them instead of just moving air around. Some also neutralize odors, making your home cleaner. Not all purifiers work the same. Some focus on larger particles while others target fine dust. Studies show that using an air purifier can reduce surface dust buildup by up to 50%, cutting down your cleaning efforts. That's smart tech working silently to keep your space fresher and cleaner. Ever notice how dust clings to wood but slides off tile? That's because wood absorbs particles like a sponge, hiding them in its grain, while smooth tiles repel dust. Static electricity can also pull fine dust toward fabrics and curtains, making them dirtier faster than hard surfaces. Carpet traps dust deep inside, where it's nearly impossible to reach without a vacuum with a HEPA filter. Smart home tech, like air purifiers, helps by trapping microscopic particles before they settle. Ionic technology in air purifiers uses charged plates to neutralize odors and particles, making the air cleaner. Deep cleaning targets hidden dirt that regular cleaning misses, like dust trapped in carpets or absorbed into wood. A HEPA filter vacuum captures microscopic particles, reducing visible dust over time. Unlike surface cleaning, deep cleaning tackles grout, appliances, and under furniture, breaking the cycle of mess buildup. The result? A spotless room that stays cleaner longer. Ever wonder how some homes stay cleaner longer? Smart vacuums like Roombas are game changers. They navigate your home autonomously, sucking up dust and allergens with HEPA filters that trap particles smaller than a human hair. Unlike regular vacuums, they can reach hidden corners and under furniture, reducing dust buildup by up to 80%. Plus, they learn your routine, adjusting their cleaning paths for maximum efficiency. It's like having a tiny robot helper that never gets tired or forgets a spot. Dust isn't just what you see on surfaces, it's hiding in plain sight, especially in your home's hidden corners. Ever wonder why some rooms feel dustier than others? That's often because HVAC systems circulate microscopic particles all day long, trapping them inside your walls or vents. Outdoor air can also bring in pollutants that settle on your furniture and curtains. Even smart vacuums, like Roombas, might not catch everything if they don't have a HEPA filter, which traps smaller than a human hair. Deep cleaning isn't just about wiping down surfaces, it's about tackling the dust that hides in carpets, behind appliances, and even under furniture places where regular cleaning misses. That's why a thorough clean feels so satisfying. You're not just making your home look spotless, but breaking the cycle of dirt buildup. Ever wonder why some stains just won't budge with bleach? It's not always about the strength of the cleaner, it's about how you tackle them. Microfiber cloths, for example, trap dirt at a microscopic level, lifting stains instead of pushing them deeper. That's why cleaning experts swear by them over bleach for tough spots like toilet seats or grout lines. Bleach can be harsh and sometimes ineffective on certain materials, while microfiber offers a gentler but more thorough clean. It's science in action, no scrubbing needed. Try it next time you're deep cleaning. Your surfaces will thank you. You know that rush when you transform a cluttered room into a gleaming sanctuary? It's not just about aesthetics, it's science. Our brains release dopamine, a feel-good chemical, when we see progress. Deep cleaning isn't just about dust, it's about breaking the cycle of hidden dirt in carpets and corners. Ever notice how some stains resist bleach? That's because microfiber cloths lift particles at a microscopic level, making them far more effective than harsh chemicals. It's like giving your home a fresh start both visually and mentally. Have you ever wondered why your home seems to attract dust no matter how much you clean? It's not just bad luck, it's science. Dust isn't just what you see on surfaces. It hides in hidden corners, especially where HVAC systems circulate microscopic particles all day long. Outdoor air brings pollutants that settle on furniture and curtains, while smart vacuums might miss some dust if they lack a HEPA filter, which traps particles smaller than a human hair. Deep cleaning isn't just about wiping down surfaces. It's about tackling the dust hiding in carpets, behind appliances, and even under furniture places regular cleaning misses. Ever wonder why dust always finds you? It's not magic, it's physics. Air currents pull in microscopic particles, and without HEPA filtration, your smart vacuum misses the tiny stuff. That's why deep cleaning isn't just about surfaces, it's about tackling the hidden layer of dust lurking in carpets and vents. Your brain even rewards you with dopamine when you see progress. It's not just clean, it's scientifically satisfying. Why does your home always seem to attract dust, no matter how much you clean? It's not just bad luck, it's physics. Air currents pull in microscopic particles, and without proper filtration, even smart vacuums miss the tiny stuff. Deep cleaning isn't just about surfaces, it's about tackling the hidden layer of dust lurking in carpets, vents, and behind appliances. Your brain even rewards you with dopamine when you see progress. It's not just clean, it's scientifically satisfying. Ever wonder why your home feels like it's fighting an endless battle with dust? It's not just bad luck, it's physics. Tiny particles float in the air, and without proper filtration, they settle everywhere. Smart vacuums help, but even the best ones can miss microscopic dust if they lack a HEPA filter, which traps particles smaller than human hair. That's why deep cleaning isn't just about wiping surfaces, it's about tackling hidden layers of dust in carpets, vents, and behinds. And guess what? Your brain actually releases dopamine when you see progress. It's not just clean, it's scientifically satisfying. Ever felt that rush when you finally tackle a messy room? That's not just you, it's your brain rewarding you for progress. Your eyes spot dust and clutter, triggering dopamine, the same chemical that makes winning feel amazing. But here's the twist. Deep cleaning isn't just about looking clean. It's about disrupting hidden layers of dust trapped in carpets, vents, or behind appliances. Smart tools like HEPA vacuums help, but even the best miss microscopic particles without proper filtration. That's why a truly clean space